Searching for the best folding electric scooter that's easy to carry, store, and ride every day? Whether you commute to work, travel across the city, or need a compact solution for daily transportation, the right scooter makes every trip more convenient. In this video, we're showcasing the best folding electric scooters that combine portability, reliable performance, long-lasting battery life, and exceptional value for every rider. Number 1. Eisenwheel S9. Driven by a dependable 350W brushless motor and an upgraded high-capacity 36V 5.2Ah battery, this electric scooter delivers a smooth, effortless ride with 3 speed modes, June 12, 19 mph. Offering an extended practical range of up to 12 miles on a single charge, it serves as the ultimate last-mile e-scooter solution for daily urban commuters and college students. Your safety comes first. Featuring an advanced dual braking system with responsive ABS and a rear drum brake for shorter, more sensitive stopping distances. To maximize night riding safety for electric scooter adults, it is equipped with a complete 360 degrees lighting system including a bright headlight, responsive taillight, handlebar turn signals, and colorful deck ambient lights. Take full control via the Eisenwheel Club app. Connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to easily toggle cruise control, activate non-zero start, or customize the stunning deck light modes. The clear ECO dashboard tracks your real-time speed, default and mph, and battery status at a glance. Engineered from high-strength aluminum alloy, this adult electric scooter offers an exceptional balance of strength and agility. It securely supports a heavy-duty weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, yet the vehicle itself remains remarkably lightweight at a mere 24.9 pounds. The manual folding design makes it a breeze to lift with one hand and carry onto public transit. Number 2. Hiboy S2 Pro. Max speed and range per charge vary based on several factors, including rider weight, riding surface, incline, ambient temperature, battery level, riding style, stop/start versus cruising, etc. The 500W powerful electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour high-capacity battery, 36V/11.6Ah, with a max travel range of up to 25.6 miles under specific conditions, and max load of 220 pounds. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooters front and rear wheel equipped with 10-inch solid tires and rear dual shock absorbers provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. Hiboy e-scooter features the ultra-bright headlights with a range of up to 15 meters to enhance safety. And double braking system features a disc braking and EBS regenerative anti-lock braking. Hiboy e-scooter collapses for easy storage in car trunks and other compact spaces. Extra detachable scooter seat is available for a more comfortable option. Simply connect Hiboy electric scooters app to lock your scooter, to customize the scooter acceleration and braking responses. Number 3. Gotrax GXL V2. The GXL V2 is the Gotrax's most classic, mature, and reliable model. The GXL V2 has a large console, long battery life, all-aluminum alloy frame, front headlight, and UL 2272 certification, safe and smooth to ride. Featuring a 36V 5.2Ah long-life battery, this GXL V2 scooter can reach up to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max range of 12 miles under optimum conditions, with the cruise control system, bringing convenience to your riding. It requires no maintenance, no repair, anti-piercing, so you needn't worry about being punctured. The solid tire has more cushion and provides a more comfortable ride than the traditional air tire. The 250W motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The e-scooter reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. This new and improved motor will make your riding faster, safer, and quieter. Number 4. Segway 9Bot E2 Pro. Reach up to 15.5 miles per hour with a range of up to 25 miles in eco mode at 9.3 miles per hour, perfect for efficient urban commuting and extended trips. Enhanced stability ensures confident navigation across various terrains for a smoother and safer ride experience. Enjoy seamless rides powered by a robust peak power 750W rear-wheel drive system, offering exceptional acceleration and control. Efficient front drum brake and rear electric brake ensure quick and responsive stops, enhancing safety and control on the road. Monitor your ride effortlessly with a spacious 2.8-inch display, providing clear visibility of crucial ride data for added convenience. Seamlessly sync with Apple Find My for enhanced security and tracking, safeguarding your Segway E2 Pro. Conquer steep inclines of up to 18% with ease, and extend your range by 20% with Ride-Along technology, offering adaptability for diverse riding conditions. Number 5. Segway 9Bot F3. Ride up to 44 miles in eco mode with our proprietary SegRange technology and unlock even longer journeys with the optional 460Wh battery. Enjoy a smooth, balanced ride thanks to ergonomic design elements, including a spacious footboard, curved handlebar, and a smart TFT display that makes navigating and operating the scooter a breeze for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Built with a high-grade magnesium alloy frame, the F3 is engineered to withstand daily wear and adverse conditions, ensuring reliable performance for years of urban commuting. Experience enhanced stability and superior shock absorption with 10-inch self-sealing tubeless tires that minimize vibration and maintain optimal traction on various road surfaces. Benefit from a rapid 8-hour charging cycle that restores full power quickly, so you spend less time waiting and more time riding. Ride with confidence. This scooter meets UL 2272 and UL 2271 standards, features advanced front disc and rear electronic brakes, IPX6 water resistance, and supports Apple Find My for added security.
Thank you for watching this.
Like, comment, and subscribe.